Biometrics, are current legal frameworks enough? Imagine walking into a building and being identified instantly by your face or fingerprint. It sounds futuristic, but biometric technology is already here. Now, the big question is, are the laws protecting us enough? Biometric data includes unique physical features like fingerprints, facial features, iris scans, and voice patterns. These identifiers are used in many ways, from unlocking smartphones to verifying identities at airports. Because biometric data is so personal and unchangeable, misuse can cause serious privacy issues and discrimination. Right now, legal rules about biometrics are all over the place. There is no single global law that covers everything. Instead, different countries and states have their own rules. For example, New Zealand will introduce a new Biometric Processing Privacy Code in November 2025. It will set 13 specific rules for organizations handling biometric data, but it will not cover health agencies or manual processing. This code will also requiring regular reviews to keep up with technology changes. In the United States, there is no federal law for biometric data, but over 20 states have their own laws. Illinois has the Biometric Information Privacy Act, which requires companies to get written consent before collecting biometric data. It also demands clear data retention policies and strong security measures. Violating these laws can lead to hefty fines and private lawsuits. Texas and Washington have similar laws, but enforcement and scope differ. This patchwork makes it hard for companies to follow all rules if they operate in multiple states. In the United Kingdom, courts have played a role in shaping biometric rules. They have limited police use of live facial recognition technology because of privacy and fairness concerns. The courts have set standards to ensure biometric use respects people's rights. At the federal level, U.S. agencies like the Department of Justice and Department of Homeland Security have issued guidelines. They focus on using biometric data lawfully, verifying data sources, and maintaining accuracy. They also requiring training and regular audits to prevent misuse. Despite these efforts, gaps still exist. Laws are not consistent across countries and states, creating confusion. Many laws focus on consent but do not fully address risks like algorithmic bias or accuracy issues. Enforcement is uneven, and some laws lack real penalties or private rights of action. Emerging uses of artificial intelligence with biometric data add new challenges. For example, AI systems can discriminate or make mistakes, so laws need to address these risks. Data provenance, fairness, and accountability are becoming more important. From a legal perspective, current frameworks are a good start but not enough. We need clear rules on how biometric data is collected, stored, and used. Standards for AI systems that handle biometric data should include fairness and transparency. There should be mechanisms to hold organizations accountable and remedies for individuals harmed. Laws must also evolve quickly to keep pace with new technology. International cooperation is essential to reduce legal gaps and create consistent protections. Practical applications like facial recognition for security, voice authentication, and biometric health data show how important it is to have strong legal safeguards. Without them, risks of misuse, discrimination, and privacy violations will continue to grow.